Hi, this is JD. In this video, I will show partial results of my projection tracing project here for the pin the trunk on the elephant art project I'm doing. So if we get a little closer, we can see some of the tracing going on there. So I had to kind of move my hand out of the way and trace accordingly from various angles so as to not block the projected image while I'm tracing. And here, if I can back up a bit and just turn off. Turn off the video for a second. And there we go. So now that the video is off, try to capture the image there. It's not coming out too well on the camera here. So let me turn off the projector for a second. Okay. And I'll ask Alexa for some help. Alexa, turn on big lights. And there we go. So that's the result of me just tracing over the projected image. It came out fairly well. Looks like I'm missing a line or two, so I might have to turn it back on to fix, I think, right there in that portion right there. Didn't finish those few lines, but I still have everything set up in place, so I can easily just turn it back on to trace the missing lines, and then I can go over it again with ink. So looks like it's turning out pretty well so far. I will present this again, or at least the third part of this series once I get there. So stay tuned for that and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss it. And as always, thanks for watching.